You're walking in the Museum of Design throughout human history. On one side, you see a focus on the visuals, and on the other side, functionality seems bolder. As technology emerges and advances, things look more and more complicated. And at some point, once again, they grow simpler and simpler. Before taking another step down the hall, you stop and wonder, what is happening? I'll tell you what. We want certain things and we want them instantly, comfortably, and simply, with the press of a button. Not even a button, just read our minds already. We want to be able to do this every minute, every day, forever, without ever facing a bug or a glitch. The designer of the system is tasked with one thing: make it do what the user wants. But they didn't say don't make it look impressive. So some parts of the functionality get overlooked. And the only thing the user won't do is stand there and admire the page transition while trying to order a burger. On the back end, the developer got paid per line of code. The more lines, the more cups of coffee they could afford. Architecture, planning, management, what did those even mean? Nothing. Until someone spent days thinking, analyzing, designing to make the product do what it's supposed to do. Simply, look aesthetic, be timeless and scalable and adaptable. With a simple look and a simple backend architecture, achieving the same exact thing as the previous designs and even more. And then someone comes along and labels it as minimalist, brutalist, effortless, ugly. How dare you? Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Or in modern English, less is more. Or in Jux English, you can't go wrong with simple. A simple design is no less attractive than a complicated or fancy design. Products we use on a daily basis could be much simpler. And that would not make a single user or customer mad. Like we have Steam over here having the most complicated design ever, to the point that they have to release a whole new version every few years. I even tried to redesign it by simplifying the foundation. But don't even get me started. Simple designs are future-proof. That's partly why companies don't mind paying for a simpler design with only black and white, or achieving the same results in fewer lines of code using a simple framework. As long as it starts with the user, simplifies their experience, and makes them remember the product, it's enough. It's been a while that tech products are focusing on simplicity, but I think lots of things are being sacrificed. We might be able to do even simpler without taking away any functionalities. So take a step back, leave the museum, do your magic down there, and design a simple, comfortable world for all of us.